Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Good morning dear students. Today we are going to discuss about acids, bases and salts from chapter 2, class 10 CBSE syllabus. Children, now let us discuss about Bronsted-Lowry concept. The Bronsted and Lowry in 1923 independently proposed a more general definition of acids and bases. According to them, an acid is defined as any hydrogen containing material, molecule, ion or a cation which can be donated a proton to other substance, and a base is any substance that can accept a proton from any other substance. Therefore acids are proton donors where bases are proton acceptors according to their theory. Children, according to conjugated acid bases pairs are considered, the reaction is acid 1 plus base 2 gives to acid 2 as base 1. In this reaction, HCl donates a proton to H2O and is therefore an acidic. Water, on the other hand, accepts a proton from HCl and is therefore a base. In the reverse action, which at equilibrium proceeds at the same rate as the forward reaction, the H3O ions donate a proton to Cl ion, hence H3O plus an ion is an acid. Cl minus ion, because it accepts a proton from H3O ion, is a base. Acid base pairs in which the number of reactions can be formed from each other by the gain or loss of protons are called conjugated acid base pair. Children, let us discuss about Bronsted-Lowry theory of acid and base in detail. The Bronsted-Lowry theory also provides an explanation of acid and base. According to this theory, acid is an ion H1 and proton donor, and it forms its conjugated bases, whereas the base is substance that accepts an H plus ion or a proton to form conjugated acid. According to Bronsted-Lowry, acids are substances that donate a proton or H plus ions to the other compound. Examples: conjugated base. Bronsted-Lowry base is, according to Bronsted-Lowry base, are the substances that accept a proton or H plus ion from other compounds. Base plus proton conjugated acid. Children, let us discuss the limitations of Bronsted-Lowry concept. The Bronsted-Lowry could not explain the reaction occurring in the non-protonic solvent like COCl3, S2O, N2O4, and the basic oxides like which can easily take place in the absence of solvent as well. Substances like BF3, AlCl3, etc. do not contain hydrogen, which means they cannot donate a proton, still they behave as acids. Thank you.